Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of today's notes. This will be the last set of notes that you have to take, okay? Converting fractions to decimals, that's the topic. So, here are some shortcuts. This table that you have right here, I want copied exactly in your notes. Why? Because it's a cheat sheet. This means you won't have to think. If you memorize these, you won't have to do long division. And on the test, you would have to do long division. You wouldn't be allowed to use a calculator. So, make sure that you memorize these. They make sense. Think about it. What's half of a dollar? Well, half of a dollar is 50 cents. Oh, that makes sense. What's a quarter of a dollar? 25 cents. Oh, okay. What's a fifth of a dollar? Well, if I take $1 and I split it up, think about it. If you take $1 and you split it 5 ways, 5 into 1, 0. 5 into 10, 2. No remainder. You're left with 20 cents. It makes sense. How much is 1/10 of a dollar? Oh, that's a dime. Yeah? And then 1/3 is the only one you need to remember. 1/3 would obviously be 0.33. So if you take $1 and you split it 3 ways, it's more or less going to be 33 cents each way. Okay? This is what you have to memorize. This chart right here. Make sure you get it in your notes. All right. So if you don't have something memorized, what you could do is take the fractions and divide them. Okay? So for example, 1/4. Remember, you read top to bottom. So you read left to right. 1/4 becomes 1 divided by 4, which is 0.25. 1 divided by 5, left to right, becomes 0.20. Let's say you had to do 1 divided by 9, 0.11. And you know what, guys? That's another one I want you to add to the table, the chart up above. Please write that 1/9 equals 0.11. And 1/8, if I am not mistaken, yes, I'm busting out the calculator here. Yes, equals 0.125. So take these two and add them to the chart we had before. Okay? This chart with the other additions, oh boy, which are 1/9 and 1/8, 0.125, 1/9, 0.11. This chart you can expect a test on when I get back on Friday. So I expect you to memorize it. That's your homework. Anyway, so you divide straight down, or the final option that we have here is 1 and 1/10. Well, think about this. You already know that 1/10 is a dime, so 0.10. 1 and 1/10 will be 1.10. But if you were to divide it, you would also get 1.1, which is the same as 1/10. Okay? For today, I think, considering the fact that you already have to do this chart, I'm going to leave your notes at that. Make sure you get this chart down and memorize it. Good luck, guys.